Is let's deal with obesity after pregnancy, that is during the lactation time. Question number 1, what should I do with the extra weight? Mothers usually ask, they have gained around 10 kgs, some people have gained 15 kgs, some people might have gained 8 kgs during pregnancy. Approximately 2.5-3 kg baby will come out. Approximately half a kg placenta and half a kg of blood loss will be there, and half a kg to 1 kg of the liquor, umbilical fluid will go. So total about 5 kg you will lose, and the rest 10 kg or 7 kgs you will have to give it to the baby. That is the only way you can remove it. Now, second frequent question is, should I do dieting while I am lactating? No. I will tell the biggest myth about dieting. There is something called basal metabolic rate. Basal metabolic rate and expenditure rate of the body is a combination of your metabolism plus your energy which the muscles use to maintain the posture. So these are the major ingredients: heart pumping, production of energy. There is some loss of energy during this conversion, movement of blood and everything. These maintenance issues takes a bit of energy. The more muscle you have, the more chance that you will be slim. Second is, you need to have a higher metabolic rate for you to get slimmer faster. Now, for having a higher metabolic rate, dieting won't help. Dieting will reduce your metabolic rate. I'll tell you why. Suppose you are getting salary of 1 lakh per month. Suddenly, due to corona, your manager comes and tell, from next month onwards you will only get 75,000. So naturally you will reduce your expense. That is the smartest thing. Likewise, if you get lesser food, immediately the body will go into a state of hypometabolism, lowers the metabolic rate and compensate for it. So what you need to do is, you need to give intermittent fasting. In between, some days, once in 2 days, we call it Ekadashi Vrat, is a good ancient technology they does. For that you take just fruits and vegetables and water. Second thing, metabolism can be increased by water and spices. Okay, these are the methods by which you can maintain your metabolism. Intermittent fasting is not to be done during lactation. Even if you want to do it, you will have to take enough water and fruits so that it won't cause metabolic slowing and it won't reduce the milk output. So what are the other options for lactating mother to reduce their weight? Only method by which lactating mother can reduce their weight is breastfeeding. Now, for increasing the quantity and quality of breast milk, I have put up very many videos. Third important thing is, they don't drink water. In Punjab and North India, even in South India, there is a myth called, if you drink a lot of water, your tummy will be heavy, you will become more floated. No. Tummy is heavy due to fat. There is nothing for water going into the tummy and making you fat. Water will increase the metabolism, and water will help the functioning of the body to move the things around, and you will produce more milk output, and that will help the baby. It's very simple. There is nothing complicated. And fourth thing is panjiri. There is something called panjiri or lehim and other things. Even in South India, they make a combination of ghee with seeds and nuts. This is a good idea. In adequate moderated quantities, these things are good. Since nuts are heavy with fat, don't overdo these things. But you need to take enough to produce milk, because they increase the milk output. That is a good idea. And if you put more amount of clarified butter and ghee and oil in these things, definitely you will become more fatter. Now you will have to see my videos, 25 secrets of lactation and how to increase mother milk videos. This is regarding obesity and pregnancy.